Have you ever found yourself, debugging and you're like, hey, Sentry gives me a bunch of context, right? The stack trace, the breadcrumbs, it gives me all of the structured information that's in an aggregated format. But it would be great if I had the screenshot of, what the user experience was. It would be great if I had some extra log file or, a copy of the local database or something like that in the case of mobile. Well, now you can attach attachments to uh, your events, and we'll go ahead store them and so that you can understand what crashed, what went wrong, and what was the state of things via any of those attachments. So this is really easy to use. You're just going to go ahead and just add the attachment to the scope, and it'll get up and running. So let's go ahead and take a look at this in Android land real quick. So if we go into here and go into here, attachment. Here, what I'm doing is creating an attachment right here. It's a temp file. And here, I'm writing out some JSON to log.json, and I'm doing sentry.configure scope, scope.add attachment. And let's look at the result of this here. So if I go to Sentry once again, we're there. Go ahead and take a look at this issue. If I scroll down here, right, what I will see is the attachment, the log.json and that temp file. If this was a previewable file, I could click preview and kind of see what's going on directly with this interface. Otherwise, go ahead and download and additionally triage. So very useful for understanding, what the current state was. If the structured information or any context that you have attached here is not going to tell you, and it might be a longer form that you should attach as well.